What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see in the title down below, today I'll be doing a review on this faux locks hair that I got on Amazon. Now this is the hair. The company that it came from is called We Can, and I really like their little slogan. It says, be your own stylist, be shining. Very good. So you see, they're already encouraging you guys to just buy a pack of these hairs and just sit down and do it by yourself. It's that simple. Alright, so in this it came with 7 packs, and they look like this. I'm gonna open it and show you guys. And it also comes with the crochet needle and a few little accessories, you know, for you to accessorize the hair when you're finished. So we have that. Now this is how it looks. I've never tried something like this before. It's very fine, small, yes, but I think it's really nice. See, so this is how it looks, and it's like 24 inches, I believe, 24 inches, yes. So this is how it looks, and I believe it's gonna be long, child. It's gonna be long. So we're gonna try this one, and of course we're gonna do it in crochet, because as you can see, I have my crochet, my hair cornrowed and everything, and I've never really explained to you guys why I put the X's in the side. Are you seeing those? Yes. Why I put the X's in the side, because when I flip the hair, I want it to not go all the part, should not be showing all the way to the back. So you put that right there, so you can add another hair to it, so it looks like that is just the complete thing. So that's the reason why I put the X's in there. So when you're doing yours, you can definitely put the X's in, so you can flip your hair to whichever side you want, and it won't look any sort of way. Alright, so let's go. So this is the first one I just put in, but these are long. Oh my god, I can't wait to finish to see what it's gonna actually look like. I don't remember if I've ever worn hair this long before. Have I? I've never. I doubt it. But this is the first one, and you guys already know how I use, what method I do it with to make it look that flat. So if you haven't yet seen my other videos, you can go ahead and check them out. The link will be in the description down below for my previous videos with the butterfly locks and all of that, so you can see the method. So what I'm gonna do is to just go ahead and continue real quick. Okay guys, so I'm not even gonna lie, I like this hair. I really like it. It is just so soft, and it's so light. Like, I feel like there's nothing on my head, when really and truly my head is full of hair. But it feels like nothing is on my head. Guys, look at that. It looks like nothing is on my head, and the way I do it is like, you not even realize that it is crochet really. Some people might think, oh, she did it individually or whatever, but that's not the case. So as I was telling you guys about the X, you see, when I flip it like this, you realize that you don't see the part going all the way back at the back of my head, because the X is there, so it seems like, oh, that this is just another part, if you understand what I'm saying. See, you're not seeing anything apart from just it just being part right there. So it just give it an illusion really, and it make it seem whole. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my edges, And I still use Hawaiian, not Hawaiian, I still use Ocean wax to do my edges. So this is what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna do it right here. Lad, locks them long and nice. Bad. Alright, so as you can see, I'm using my mirror right here, by the way. So as you can see, are pretty. I'm gonna do one side first. You know what I want to try to do, guys? I want to try to do that, you know them edges there where them do them like a ring up and whatever. I think I want to try it, but I don't know how to do it. Alright, so let's see. Alright, maybe I'm gonna see the true. Okay. Alright, hold on. Guys, I have to get it right. I have to get it right. So, and then I'm gonna brush that one here. There we go. Brush it forward. And then that look something like. So the aim is to, I wonder if we can just leave this one right here, cause I don't know if I like it when it's fully, it have the full stylish business. I don't know if I like it like that, so let me just try it with one. Nice. Alright, so, and then we do that like so, and then this little part like so. Hope I have to use my brush. I could get this one like a curve down at the end, right as so, like so. What y'all think? It look nice? But how am I going to do the second part though? I think I did this one nice, but how am I going to do this part? Alright, make we go try it. So put it in the edge. Guys, I thought that it was still recording. I don't know what happened. So this is the end results. Lord, them not so 100, but you not done me. I've never really did. I don't know if I'm a fan of these edges, but I'm gonna wear them today, I guess. And then that's it. I always have a problem with my baby ear, them, you know, because this is big, and if I split it in two, it's going to look weird. So I just can't do nothing to it. I just cannot do anything to it. Yeah, try to do the bottom one. Guys, these edges are not for me. There's something circlish. I don't know. But yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm totally feeling this here. And I'm gonna be wearing it. And it's very light, like really, really, really light. And it's long. So let me see how far down in my back it reach. Oh, Jesus. It reached from my bottom. Okay, so anywho, this is the end result. And yeah, tell me what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Yeah. And I'm gonna be leaving the link for the hair. Of course, the hair store on Amazon is called We Can. And yeah, I think you should definitely get it. As the thing on the bag said, be your own stylist, be shining. It says be your own stylist and be shining. Oh, actually I used 6.5 packs to do it. I still have half leave. Don't know what I'm going to do with that half, but this is 6.5 of the packs, and each corner is covered to the T. I have no parts that are not that are showing, so I don't have anywhere to put them. So I'm just gonna keep them. Anyways, tell me what you guys think about my edges though. Alright, until next time guys, bye.